Hey guys, today we're making a healthy version of Goya Sazon. Now the Sazon in the store, I prefer not to use because it has MSG in it. So I found a healthier way to make Sazon. Now MSG is a preservative that is used in a lot of foods to give the food its salty flavor, such as like seasonings and soups and etc. So I'm trying to stay away from that. So we're going to start off with the ingredients. The star of the show is the annatto seeds, which is this right here. And it's also known as achote. And it comes from, the annatto seed comes from the achote tree. The annatto seed has a lot of health benefits that I wasn't aware of. It prevents bacteria. It's an antioxidant. It prevents bone disease and also helps the heart. Okay, so we're going to continue with the rest of the ingredients. We have 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of oregano, 1 tablespoon of cumin, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander, and 1 tablespoon of annatto seeds. Okay, so let's start blending everything in the blender. So we're going to put everything into this blender right here. So we have to wait for this to settle before I take this top off, because if I take it off now, I'm going to have a powdery mess. Alright, so let's see, I think it all cleared. Okay, great. So that's what we have. I think I should blend it a little bit more. Okay, let me scrape this down. Oh. Okay, I'm making a mess here. This could get messy. Well guys, this is it. My healthy version of Sazon. Look at how orange that color is. I'm just so proud of myself because it looks like Sazon. You see? And I'm just happy that now I can eat Sazon naturally and healthy and not worry about all the negative chemicals that are in the product. I'm also going to try this out to see how it does with my rice. Well guys, look at my rice. Look at how delicious this looks, and look at the color. Look at the orange color. So I don't miss the store-bought Sazon, because look at this. I'm not only eating naturally, but I'm getting the same results as the store-bought one. So I don't miss it. So I'm happy that I found a healthy way to make this and share with you guys. Well guys, thanks for watching. See you again soon. Bye-bye.